Hi, we Yorubas are endowed with rich culture and traditions. We had our own unique lifestyles before the Western world migrated into our land. In this video, you are going to understand Oruko Amutorunwa in the tradition of Yorubas. As part of our traditions in Yorubaland, it is believed that a child may be given birth to with predestined names. And as you know, that one of the most important things done when a child is born is to give such child a name. In Yorubaland, names are given to a new baby by his or her father, mother, grandparents, and other close relatives. But sometimes the circumstance of a child's birth will automatically give the child a name, which in Yoruba tradition called Oruko Amutorunwa, meaning predestined name. So let's take for instance names given to a set of twins called Ibeji in Yoruba language, which is the most common Oruko Amutorunwa in Yorubaland, or Taiwo and Kende. The firstborn of the twins is called Taiwo, meaning To Ayewo, that is, taste the world, while the lastborn of the twins is called Kende, meaning the last to come. So other children born in Yorubaland with predestined names are as follows, with their meaning from number 1 to 5. To give you more examples: 1. Ilori, meaning a child born in the absence of menstruation by his mother. 2. Ojo, meaning a male child born with the umbilical cord twisted round his neck. 3. Ainon, a female child born with the umbilical cord twisted around her neck. Then 4. Okay, this is a child born with rupture membranes all over his or her body. And lastly, 5. Dada, meaning a child born with long, thick, and coily hair, which must not be cut at any time. There are other predestined names. I hope you have learned something from this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Until we see again, get a better life.